not a pig. He's a bulugan.
You're such a funny, you know. Yes, may natira pa kayong 5 Land Cruiser. Padala mo na rin.
Di ba I told you na bawal lang maglabas ng Land Cruiser?
Hello, stock order pa Range Rover. Yes, Range Rover in the Indonesia.
Range Rover in Indonesia?
Yes.
Okay, Thailand X1R in Thailand.
I want a Range Rover with the Master Mash and with a big tire.
Master Mash is a big tires. Do you know Master is big? Don't you see? Why you say the big tires? Are you a prick?
No, I'm not. I'm not just a freak. I'm just like a big tires. And you know,
You're like an idiot.
hello, yes. The stock order of the Lamborghini Philippines. Yes, I want a 15 Lamborghini today.
I said
Right now. Shut up.
I all have been phased out because there's a warning, a
Yes,
green warning.
Yes, calling for the
Because
attention.
there's
I want a
a
World
warning.
War III.
You're one the World War III because you're not allowed to sit in all the cars. You're not allowed, you know what?
I'm calling a World War III. Lahat ng sasakyan natin, lahat ng submarine.
Kailan pala tawag ng World War III?
I'm calling for World War III. I want a World War III and I want a EDSA 3.
EDSA 3?
Yes, EDSA 3. Ngayon pa magkaka-EDSA 3 pag ikaw inasundong mo.
As soon as possible, gusto ko magkaroon ng mga balita.
You want a news?
Yeah.
So, go to North, East, West, and South, you know?
North East, West, and South, that is Google warning. You know?
Walang physical na, walang batukan. Grabe ka, oh.
Okay.
Okay. Someone is touching me here like a freak, jerk, shithead.
Stop that freaking head. We go to our
Yes.
home. Okay.
Is my jet bike on the way to here?
Yes, it's on the way,
Yeah.
but
You know my location.
But the
My
pilot
location is 150 degree.
But the pilot
On the
is not allowing to be have a
sea
passenger
level.
like 90 kilos above.
Degree sea
Because
level.
then it will
Yeah.
not fly.
And then we are in the ground.
Dini ka muna.
Yes.
It will fail.
Yes.
It will fall.
How many minutes will take from there to here?
What that? What you
Okay,
said?
okay.
What you said? Are you
Okay,
freaking head?
Okay, dini ka muna. Okay.
It's 8:32.
8:32.
Dini ka muna.
Then they will land at 8:35. Am I right?
I'm not talking.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, tawago sa attorney. Hello, attorney.
Yes, calling the attorney.
I'm talking to you. You're not an attorney that I've ever met.
Hello, yes. Attorney Bill Gates, yes.
Bill Gates.
Calling your attention, please. Yes. May kaso kasi ko dito. Do
This
you
is
know how
our
to speak in
airport
Tagalog?
call.
Do you know how to speak in Tagalog? Oh, yes. That's good. Kasi meron dito isang
Mag-sense
kaso.
ka, mag-sense
Ay, sarap bagang 19003, ang kinatama ng basura ay kinatama ng mga basura sa mga bait na tao. Mga malnourished, mga pangit, mga naman sa impyerno, kailangan mamatay na sa langit. Hello, yes?
May tumatawag talaga.
Yes, speaking. Someone is calling to my uncle that it is malnourished or starved something. Hello? Yes. Hello?
What is that?
What was that?
Stop that freaking noise!
Freaking nice. I hate that.
Oh, yeah! Umutot ang baboy! Nasa-suffocate! Isarado ang bintana!
Not funny, uncle. Not funny.
I'm not talking.
You're not talking. You're really. Yes. I want to kick an ass.
Kick the ass?
Si Kokoy
Kick
kasi.
an ass with a red holding a
Dali,
phone
kay
on
Jay ko.
his ears.
And
Yeah, do you know that? Tracking his location.
Tracking is
Okay, 108 and
Is this Siri? Yung parang lover, bed, lover.
What do you mean? I don't know.
I don't know.
I am the owner of the Apple
fucking
industry.
on your...
Do you know what I'm talking about? I am the owner of the Apple industry in the whole world.
Okay.
Whole world.
You're the investor of the Apple Mango.
No, I'm not.
Apple juice.
What? Apple juice. You're such a fuck. What are you talking about? Just stop talking.
You're a worldwide manager for Apple juice.
Yes. Yes, I'm calling World War III. That good?
World War 3?
Okay.
Kailan pa natawagan ng World War 3? Tumawag ba sila, gumamit ba ng cellphone sila Adolf Hitler para lang magkaroon ng World War 2?
Okay. Alam mo kasi, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Halika.
No, kasi
Sabi ko
Kokoy.
sa'yo, ang World War 1 and World War at World War 2, Ginamit nila walkie-talkie. We are now in the newly invention. Like what I said, I am the owner of the Apple industry.
Apple
Yes,
juice.
I know how to build an iPhone, iPad, iMac.
Oh, just tell them. Just tell them.
I pay.
Just tell it. I pay.
No,
you,
I
you pay. What you pay?
I study in UP. UP and mga bakal.
Oh, that's
You
what
know,
that's what I know.
oh, that's right. I'm just calling the World War III because it is this year is the 2012 year.
I
So
know.
in September 21st or September 26th, the World War III will start.
World War III will start.
Yes.
It's already
If you don't know to
September
start,
25.
if you want to say, I have all starter on my shop, like a starter of 12 PD, 8 PD, 6 BG starter. What did you want starter?
Are you afraid?
I'm not a freak. I'm just telling the truth.
Okay,
That you
stop that.
are so jerk.
I'm not a jerk.
Yo,
I'm just crazy.
you're just a crazy boy, you.
Oh,
Yes.
wale.
Wale?
Yes.
Nagpapatawa ba ako? I'm asking you.
Do you like badet?
Do you like badet? Yeah, I don't know badet, but you like badet. Then you're telling me like something na sabihin mo pa sa akin, ano? Kahit di mo ka ituro, bibilin nun.
I'm not telling you.
I'm not telling you. I've already heard that from your
From my
mouth.
From my mouth.
Yes.
Just show me.
Just
Give me an evidence that.
Yes,
my
I have
mouth
my
said
evidence.
that. Where's that?
Hey,
Where's
Siri.
that evidence?
I'm just on
Oh, Siri.
Okay, stop.
Evidence.
Where's your
Already 8:40 in the evening. I
So
just
what
want
did you
to
want?
go
Why
home.
don't you walk and go to your home?
Tara na, mawagin na.
Pressure ako. Galit ako.
Si Bandel.
Parang na si Bando.
No, I am a heartthrob in the General Senior National High School.
Yeah.
Nga. Why did you don't know that? All the students of General Senior National School know that I am the heartthrob.
Kaya pala bumagyo.
The heartthrob
Mahangin siya.
and rob.
Kaya pala bumagyo.
What's
Mahangin eh.
Are you supposed to be video me?
Parang video me.
Yes, why did you don't know?
Video ka ba?
I'm the heartthrob.
Upload sa YouTube.
Wow.
Parang kaya pala nagkabagyo
Yes,
ngayon.
nagkabagyo.
Talagang sadyang mahangin.
Oh.
Papasok ka dito, dadating na siya. Dadating pa nga sa kanya, papasok.
Okay, take two.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.